Imagine a world where dreams come to life, where innovation meets tradition, and where the future is built upon the past. Welcome to the heart of Saudi Arabia, where visionary projects are shaping a new era. Hold on tight as we take you on a journey through the most thrilling megaprojects set to transform Saudi Arabia. Through massive $500 billion investment as part of Saudi Arabia Vision 2030, the kingdom is expanding its economy beyond oil, creating jobs, and elevating its position as a key trade and tourism destination. The vision is built upon three pillars: positioning the country as the heart of the Arab and Islamic worlds, becoming a global investment powerhouse, and transforming the country's location into a hub connecting Afro-Eurasia. Here is a look at 7 ongoing mega projects set to transform Saudi Arabia. The Line, a groundbreaking project set to redefine urban living in the heart of Neom, Saudi Arabia's crown jewel of innovation. Some people are worried about how it might affect human rights and the environment. Neom is a big part of Saudi Vision 2030, which wants to make the Saudi Arabian economy stronger, help the world develop. It's going to start being built in 2021. Line is a new kind of city that's going to be really long, stretching for 170 kilometers. It will have lots of different communities that are all connected, with spaces for people to walk and enjoy nature. The project focuses on helping people and protecting the environment, so there are big areas of land set aside for nature. The line will connect the Red Sea coast to the northwest part of Saudi Arabia, covering an area of 34 square kilometers. The buildings into one continuous structure with an entirely glass mirror exterior. The car-free city is planned to be large enough to house 9 million residents within walkable communities, with all basic services within a 5-minute walking distance. Now, let's venture into the mountains and discover Trojena, a hidden gem nestled within Neom's majestic landscape. A new mountain tourism destination that will be part of the Neom mega development. Lava Architecture, a German-based design firm, created the master plan. The project is expected to be completed by 2026. The new year-round tourist destination will include a ski village, ultra-luxury family and wellness resorts, and various retail stores and restaurants. It will consist of sporting events, art, music, and cultural festivals. By 2030, Trojena expects to attract 700,000 visitors and 7,000 permanent residents to live within the projects and adjacent residential districts. All construction activities will adhere to Neom's commitment to minimize environmental disruption and ensure long-term sustainability. Trojena is located in the heart of Neom, 50 kilometers from the coast of the Gulf of Aqaba. It is divided into 6 districts: Gateway, Discover, Valley, Explore, Relax, and Fun. Trojena isn't just a destination, it's a vision of sustainable tourism, where every step taken ensures the preservation of nature and the enrichment of local communities. Prepare to be amazed by Oxagon, the world's largest floating city. It will be built in the southwestern area of Neom, Saudi Arabia's futuristic new megacity that officials claim will be 33 times the size of New York City. Half of Oxagon will float in the Red Sea, which averages 500 meters deep. Oxagon will help make the economy grow and become more varied in Neom and the kingdom. This supports our goals for Vision 2030. Oxagon will change how industries develop worldwide in the future, while also caring for the environment. It will help Saudi Arabia trade with nearby regions and countries and become an important place for global trade. In addition, for Neom, Oxagon will establish the world's first fully integrated port and supply chain ecosystem. The port, logistics, and rail delivery facilities will be unified, providing world-class productivity with net zero carbon emissions and setting global standards in technology adoption and environmental sustainability. The Sindalah is a component of Saudi Arabia's 2030 vision. Sindalah will be the first tourist destination to open in the megacity. The Sindalah Island Resort, scheduled to open in early 2024, will be the first of 10 regions completed as part of the Neom mega development in northeastern Saudi Arabia. This luxury island destination, spread across 840,000 square meters on the idyllic Red Sea, will strongly emphasize conserving its surrounding natural beauty, the majority of which is untouched. Through a robust rewilding program, Sindalah will have luxury hotels, a big marina for yachts, a beach club, a wellness center, and fancy shops. People visiting Sindalah can have fun doing activities like kayaking, kite surfing, and water skiing. They can also go scuba diving. Sindalah will be Neom's first luxury island and yacht club destination in the Red Sea, It will be a beautiful place where people can go to enjoy the Red Sea's beauty. Sindalah is going to be the next big thing in luxury travel. Amala is an ultra-luxury tourism destination being developed in northwestern Saudi Arabia along the Red Sea coast, over 4,000 square kilometers in size. The first development phase is scheduled to be completed by mid-2024 and will include over 1,300 hotel rooms spread across 8 different resorts. When finished in 2027, it will have over 3,000 hotel rooms spread across 25 hotels and approximately 900 luxury residential villas, apartments, and estate homes. Ama Allah is going to have 3 resorts by the sea, stretching over 12 kilometers of coast. A British company called Foster Plus Partners is making a special place where you can really feel like you're underwater with marine life. They're also planning to build an airport for the resort. Amala is like the Bedouin tribes. They care a lot about their lands and seas that have helped them for many years. Amala will only let 500,000 people visit every year to make sure it doesn't harm the environment too much. The Red Sea Project Kengo Kuma and Foster Partners are designing the Red Sea Project, a tourism development on an archipelago of Saudi Arabian islands with its dedicated airport. The Red Sea Project will be built on 90 undeveloped islands between Umluj and Al Waj on Saudi Arabia's west coast. Kengo Kuma and Associates will make 100 vacation homes. Foster Plus Partners will build an airport and some hotels for the area. The Red Sea Development Company wants the project to be eco-friendly and focused on sustainable tourism. Both architecture teams are working to reduce the negative effects of building these structures. The Red Sea Project will have developed 5 of the archipelago's islands and 2 inland sites by 2022. When the project is finished in 2030, 22 islands and 6 inland sites will have been developed. Finally, journey back in time to Diriyah Gate, where the past meets the future in a harmonious blend of heritage and innovation. The Diriyah Gate Master Plan was designed around the UNESCO World Heritage Site of At Taraif, representing the modern Saudi Kingdom's original capital. Taking inspiration from the At Taraif context, the project aims to create a one-of-a-kind district that preserves heritage, emulates traditional urban form, and conserves the natural environment while enhancing it for managed use. UNESCO made a plan for how things should be arranged in a certain area. This plan considers things like what can be seen from different viewpoints and how close buildings should be to each other. In this plan, there are 100 stories about Diriyah that are shown in different ways, like through buildings, events, art, signs, paths, and names. In the eastern part of this area, important places like an arena, opera house, convention center, museum of contemporary art, Grand Mosque, and innovation cluster were built along a big road that goes to King Saud University. From the mountains to the sea, from the past to the future, Saudi Arabia's mega projects are not just changing landscapes, they're shaping destinies. Join us as we witness history in the making and embark on a journey to a brighter tomorrow. Don't miss out on the adventure of a lifetime. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more updates on Saudi Arabia's incredible transformation. Until next time, keep dreaming big.